Hey, what's up everyone? Igor from the Better Life Academy here. I just finished my workout and enjoying this beautiful sunny weather here in South Carolina. And today I want to share with you some thoughts on the word reason. I don't know what's your relationship with the reason, but I want to talk about the three different kind of perspective of how do I look at the reasons, and I want to kind of list them all and discuss them a little bit. The first thing is, what is the meaning? What kind of meaning do we put in this word? Remember, I told you that the meaning and the words we use in our life are very important because they basically create our story. And if we want to change our life, we have to change our story, and we're doing it by using the words differently, different words, and put the different meaning into those words. Well, I think that this word reason can get into the two different meanings, negative and the positive. The negative one, if you use it as a negative, like you coming up with the reasons of why you're not actually doing things. Because of those reasons, you procrastinate. Because of those reasons, you're not getting healthier. Because of those reasons, you do not start relationships. Because of those reasons, you do not breaking through your fears and things like that. Then in this case, those reasons play kind of negative roles in your life, and they do not let you create the better life for yourself. So they kind of are being obstacle on the way to the better life, right? And that's how it was for me for very, big part of my life, until I started to study the mentors I'm working with, the successful people, and I realized that they also use reasons, but only with the different meaning. And the reasons for them are the things why do they actually do what they do. Why do they become successful? Why do they break through the fears? Why do they actually push through when the times are difficult? And why they win? Because they have enough of reasons to do that. So the reasons can be a lot more powerful and empower you to actually go through the life and get on the other side, which is better life for yourself. That's how powerful reasons are. And as I said, in my life, they played a huge part at first, and they were negative, and they were pulling me down. And then I learned to use them as a positive, as something, as a jump start for me to actually becoming better. And then those reasons become different, and they become empowering. And I have replaced them with a disempowering one. So this is one point. This is the first point about the reasons. The second point about the reasons is, guys, the reasons come first, and then the answers come second. That's the thing. You see what successful people do? They come up with the big and strong enough reasons to do anything. And then the answers of how to do that and what to do and stuff, they come up themselves. They show up themselves. They eventually show up. Just because you have powerful enough reason or sets of reasons to do particular thing. That's the thing. We sometimes think, hey, why all those people, but not me, have all those answers all the time? How come don't I have answers? The answer to you is from me today, just because the answers follow the reasons. First, you gotta have strong enough reasons to get those answers, and then you get them. So if you stop and use that negative reasoning of why shouldn't you do things you have calling for, then you're not even getting to the answers. You're not even tapping into that potential of answers. And that's how you miss out, and that's how you procrastinate, and that's how you stay on the same level, and you're not getting the better life to yourself. Makes sense? I hope it makes sense. And the last but not least, guys, I have two news for you. The one is bad, the second one is very good. The bad news is, if you're gonna still keep using the reasoning of why shouldn't you do something, you're gonna keep procrastinating, you're gonna keep having the same life what you have right now. The good news, you already have what it takes to change the reasoning. You know why? Because we all somehow using those reasons already. We already have this muscle, this skill of coming up with the reason, right? Even if it's negative, we're not talking about the type of the reasons right now. We're talking about the thing, what we can do with the reasons. And what we can do is we can come up with them. We have this muscle, all of us, especially this muscle who can create the negative reasoning. But we have this fundamental skill already. all of us, and these are the good news. The only thing left to do is to use this muscle to come up with the strong enough reasons which actually will help you to break through anything what you break through, your fears, your better life, your surroundings, anything. And you can then get and tap into that pool of answers because you're gonna have strong enough reasons. All right, guys, it's enough out of me today. I think I want to wish you to come up, to use these muscles which you already have of making up reasons and come up with the strong enough reasons, with empowering reasons to get the better life for yourself in any area of your life which you wish. All right, use that muscle, you already have it. Keep making it stronger, but at the same time empower it with the empowering reasons. All right, Igor from the Better Life Academy. Have a nice and wonderful day, guys. It was nice talking to you.